Welcome to County Portal, your simple source for local government services and public records. Let's get started.
Ever wondered what actually happens to your paper tax return after you drop it in the mail? It doesn't just magically appear in an IRS agent's hands. It goes on a journey to a massive, highly organized facility called an IRS Submission Processing Center. These centers are the backbone of the paper tax system, acting as the bridge between your physical forms and the IRS's digital world. Think of them as the giant mailroom and data entry department for the entire country. When your envelope arrives, along with millions of others, it's just the first step. First, truckloads of mail are received and sorted. Machines and people work to categorize everything, separating individual returns like the Form 1040 from business returns, and most importantly, separating envelopes that contain payments from those that don't. Once sorted, the envelopes are opened, and the contents are prepared for processing. This involves removing staples, checking for a signature, and making sure all the necessary pages are there. If you mailed a check, this is where it gets separated and sent for deposit immediately. The core function of the center then begins: data transcription. Employees, known as data entry clerks, take the information you wrote on your tax return and key it into the IRS computer system. Every single number, from your income to your deductions, is manually entered. This is a monumental task requiring incredible accuracy. The system is designed to catch simple mistakes. If you made a basic math error, the computer will flag it. This might lead to an automatic correction or trigger a notice being sent to you, often called a math error notice. This is part of the error resolution system, where specialists review flagged returns to resolve discrepancies before they go any further. After your data is successfully entered and verified, it's transmitted to the IRS Master Computer Files, which is the central database that holds all taxpayer information. Only then is your return considered officially processed. From that central system, your refund can be issued or your account can be updated to show you've paid. The physical paper return you sent is then archived for a set period of time. So, why do we still need these centers in an age of e-filing? Because millions of taxpayers still file by paper, including many businesses, individuals with complex situations, or those who simply prefer not to file electronically. These centers also handle amended returns, correspondence, and other paper forms sent to the IRS. In short, the Submission Processing Center is the essential, human-powered machine that turns a mountain of paper into the organized digital data the IRS needs to run the nation's tax system. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this explanation helpful and want to learn more about how the tax world works, please hit that subscribe button and give this video a like. We'll see you in the next one.